What's going on, guys and gals? My name is William Clark, and welcome back to some Animal Crossing. Now, while my Kindle decides to be a little fucking piece of shit, we're gonna be playing some Day 3. Yes, I am. Yeah, I'm playing really early in the fucking morning, because why not? So enough talk, let's get this show on the road. Come on. Come on. I'm not sure exactly how long, how long I'm gonna be recording for and all that shit. But one thing is for sure. Destroy the things and all that. Tom Nook ain't gonna know. Alright, so you could still go to his shop after hours. Only because, of working. Yep, man, we'll see things. Close? Huh. Yep. Nice carpet. Oh, is he gonna be sleeping? Alright. Fuck doodle shit. I tell you, it's early in the morning, so I doubt that anybody's gonna be awake in this game. So I'll probably have to wait until later. Are you the one? Well, fuck you too. Alright. Let's see, where am I at? There better be something. Better be close by. Yes! Yes! Yay! True. I got delivery for you, asshole. Oh yeah. What was it? Oh, tell me what it is. When you think of interior design, the first thing you think is furniture, blah blah blah. Yeah. Yeah, sure. Too many miles on it. It's not a fucking car. It's a goddamn piece of rug. Rare items. Yay! Some fucking rare ass items over here. What is it? Exquisite. Okay, it's apparently really exquisite. I really hope that I can actually get enough money by selling things, and I hope that there's actually a shovel. I didn't really notice if there was a shovel or not, but I need a shovel to dug shit up. Yeah, I gotta dug shit up. Gotta dig shit up. There's a map here too. Alright, so let's see. Let's go back to Tom Nook. Hurry the fuck up, game. Quick. Alright. Now, he's gonna be open after hours because you're working for him, but other than that, yeah. Now, at one point, an axe. Okay, let's do it on purpose. Ah. Oh yeah, there's a shovel. But what I saw was, in a way, there's a way to get. I mean, from what I've done this before back in the day. But there was a way that you could easily go to Tom Nook's store after hours and he'll get you shit. Yeah. It's weird. Damn it. Oh, fuck me with a spoon. I don't know how that works, but okay. Yeah, I completely fucking lost it. Yeah, shake a tree. These are bells. You need that for the entire game. Bells are currency in this game. Don't just shake weird trees, because not just money will pop out, furniture will also pop out, but I never understood. Is why. Like, why? How does furniture pop out of a tree? Like, hey, you want a new couch? Or you want a new something else? You know, you could just shake a tree, and shit comes out. So, the cats. You can get peaches. Now, every time you load up the game, it's gonna be something different. Peaches, apples, pears, whatever. So sometimes you'll get something cool, and sometimes whatever. Okay, now where is she? Better be here, goat. Oh yeah. Boom. Yes, I got a delivery for you. Give me an axe. Asshole. I remember that. So early in the fucking morning. Why am I recording early in the fucking morning? I don't know. But here's the thing, I'm probably gonna be recording early in the morning and uploading whenever the fuck I want. So I can be recording at like 4 o'clock in the morning. No, Tabby. Sure. Now, if you say no, they're gonna get pissed off at you. You don't want to piss off anyone. Even though I'm an asshole. So I can piss off whoever I want. Ah, it's always a hassle. It's a hassle. Just... Okay. Fucking people ass. Run! Bees! Okay, you better get inside. Because you could also shake down bees. And you don't want to do that. You shake down a bee. Yeah, you're gonna get stung. Unless you can make it safely into someone's house or Tom Nook's store or anywhere. So that's why you don't want to shake a tree like crazy unless you have an area that's safe. Here's what I'm talking about with furniture. You get a mossy stone. That's weird. Let's see, can I show you what happens? No, I guess not. Money! Money, money, money! Now, if I ever shake a tree and money comes out, I'm gonna be rich. Now, what's the exchange rate? How much is 100 bells in US currency? If money is, I mean, is it like a penny? Is it like a dollar? Is it like something? Because some of the more expensive items, I tell you what. Yay! Blah, blah, blah. Yes, I just did that. Catchy slogan. Oh, I'm gonna write something. Wait, actually, hold on. Because I did it before, can I do it again? Marketing is basically just fluff. Okay. So everything is just fluff nowadays. Even Fluttershy is fluff. She's fluffy. Alright. Just shaking trees. So let's type in ass fuck. Can I copy? Your mother's cock. Haha, DJ. You're an asshole. Alright, so I put your mother's cock as something you would have to say. Now also... Oh, Crazy Red. That guy you'll see later on. He's an interesting character, to say the least. Like, extremely weird. Yes, your mother's cock is something. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Someone, oh my fuck. Errands, and selling things, and whatever. Yes. I want to sell something. Come on. I'm gonna kick your ass. The Raccoon Goons. Oh, fuck that. You talking about like you're a fucking hitman or something. No! 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 Ah! I couldn't do that. Ah! Fuck. Okay, so at 9 o'clock in the morning, you can basically talk to him again and buy shit. Actually, remember when I was saying things to the effect of you can time travel basically in the game? Well, let me show you what I mean. This is technically cheating, but fuck it, you know, as long as I'm not fucking with the actual day. Yes. So save and quit the game. Otherwise, Mr. Rossetti will kick your ass. You don't want to do that. Alright, and then... press start. That guy. January 3rd. Yes, before I go... other things. Set the clock. This is something you cannot do in reality. Yes. Just say your flutters. You can actually have 4 people at a time. Wait, did you just say I'm getting your pants on? Okay. I hope I can get a fucking shovel or something. As you can see now, it's daytime. You can do this any time to basically adjust the game in your will. Oh, okay, let's talk about you, Gracie. The last twinkling star of a darkening fashion world. Okay, so you're basically fucking Rarity, okay? You're basically Rarity. Fashion and darling. That's Rarity, okay? Rarity is all about fashion. And she also says darling a lot. How could you even look at your... asshole. I came off the bus with this. Or I came off the train with this. Hot looking set of wheels. Yes, it's really cool actually. Vintage car from across the sea. Okay. Yeah, sure. Stop with jokes. I'm not really good at doing a Rarity impression, but I imagine her basically saying all this. Basically, her clothes would be ruined. Mash the A button like a fucking idiot. Mash the A button, mash the A button. Like you're jacking off, like you're jacking off, like you're jacking off, jacking off, jacking off, jacking off, jacking off, jacking off. Okay, holy shit. Alright. Well, your mother's cock is the fashion brand. Okay, so what is this? Red bar. Nice. And that's the wavy tan. Okay, so what I had before. The circus shirt, jungle camo. Okay, what's that? Oh, that does not look good. It's not like you're wearing a leather jacket or something. You can actually make your own designs based here. But let's talk about that later. Stop bothering me. You're basically Rarity in disguise. Okay, so now let's yes. Let's get the shovel. 500 bells. You can't carry anymore. Okay, yes, yeah. We get it, we get it. Selling items. You can't really sell that. Well, you can, but you won't get any payment out of it. And also, don't worry if you sell things such as furniture or clothes, because you could always get those back. Except for the work uniform. In a way, you can also get those back, simply because of one thing. And I'll tell you what that is. If you make another person in the game, yeah. So, if you get another person in your game, have them work, and then you can take their clothes. 500 bells. To use shovel, just grab it on your item screen and put it into your hands. Press the A button whenever you feel like digging a hole. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. So what is this? Old flooring. Let me see it. Oh, that's nice, actually. $800. Or 800 bells, I mean. Also, here's the thing. Wow. The more you buy, the more shit you buy. Oh, I need that. I need that for my house. Fuck. Wait, what is that? What is that? What is that? Yes. Okay, I'll take it. Yes, I can use that. I can use that. Anyways, the more money you give Tom Nook, the more, faster, which you could also kind of cheat this in a way, is the faster, you can expand his shop. Now, one thing I downright despise about the DS version, and I hate the DS version because of this. It's not, I love the DS version, don't get me wrong. It's a nice version of the game. However, you have to have someone else. No, I want to get... You bastard. Okay, you have to have someone else into your place, into your town. And you have to have them buy something from Tom Nook's to expand his shop to the final expansion. Meanwhile, in this game, you don't have to do that. Or you could just somehow fake it. via getting another controller and whatever, if you can. I forgot, it's been a while. No. So just keep buying things and whatever. So yeah, you can basically cheat the system in a way. So let's go back to our time from back in the day. I don't usually play this game. Yeah, I don't usually play this game at like 2 or 3 o'clock in the fucking afternoon. So it's like once I'm done with the part in the video, this video, day 3, once I'm done with this, I don't really play until the next day. The reason I do this is not just because of the game itself. I mean, I love the game. But also, I want it to be more authentic for each and every day. So let's go back. Other things. Adjust the clock. So 5:02. Wow, Thursday already. Holy shit. Alright, flutters. Now, let me show you what I mean, what they mean and what I mean when it comes to finding things in the dirts and all that good shit. First things first, though, just in case I find a lot of shit. Yeah, you can turn on the light by pressing the Z button. So what you want to do, drop it, and there you go. You got a lovely chair. I don't really need that. I don't need that, and I don't need that. Okay, yeah, put that. Okay, so like it's basically like what I do in reality. Orange box. So basically here you have some sort of, basically a calendar. Basically some sort of calendar planner thingy. So you can know what's going on. Let's put the exquisite rug. Ooh, that's beautiful. It's a really beautiful rug. I need to fix that, because, ooh. It looks like my basement. That's actually pretty nice. I like that. It doesn't look as good as it should because of the fact my camera is kind of blah. Now let's find some shit to dig up. Come on. Don't fuck with me. Game. Oh, a weed. You must not let weeds get to you. Here you can go fishing. That's why that's particularly there. And oh! Also, with a shovel, hit the rocks. Literally, hit the rocks. The reason you want to hit the rocks is because I'll show you later on. Yeah, I woke you up. Get back here, you bastard. Okay, thanks, Celestia. That was all. Okay, here. If it's like a star-shaped thing, dig it up. Alright. So, alright. Let's talk to you. I woke you up because you were sleeping. Now, if you have to dig some holes to kind of prevent you from like falling into place, just in case. Yeah, that's not the one. Also, if at all possible, plant a tree around toward a rock so that you don't. Yeah, and I'll show you why. If I can find some rocks. Let's wake everyone up. 5:05. Alright. Yeah. You know what, screw it. I'm just gonna leave the holes there simply because of one thing. You go back, the holes are gone. Not. Come on, please tell me this is the one. Yes! You get money! Mash that A button! Ah! Actually... Okay, yeah, next time I should probably do that. But you basically can get up to a total of like 10,000, I think. I'm not sure. So hit the rocks every single day. Every single day. And by now you can combine the... can I combine these? It's an issue that I can't really combine those. In the DS version you can, I think. Alright. So there we go. Now you know what to do. Let's talk to a goat. Yay. Need a favor? Oh, wait, what? Oh, that. Oh, I forgot about that. I'm an idiot. Oh, but it's only one rock. It's not every single rock you choose. And it's not like you hit one rock and then, you know, after that you search around town for another rock. No. It's only one specific rock that you will get basically paid for if you hit it. So that's why you want to dig holes to prevent you from falling off, you know, or getting out of range, because if you do that, then you won't be able to dig any. So, like for example, you can only do it like 2 times, and that. So yeah, that's why I want to dig holes, to kind of prevent yourself from doing that. And also make sure there's like nothing in the way, like trees or whatever, to get a whole lot of things and all that. Yeah. Just mash the A button, and you are good. Oh. Blah 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 blah. Okay, there's not really much to do in this game at this point in time because it's not as lively. Oh yes, the fossil. Go to the museum, and you could either donate it or get it checked. I highly recommend you get it checked, because if you do, you can basically get some serious cash. Fossils are worth a lot of money in the real world, as well as in this game. So, find all the... let's talk to you. Yeah. No! You got the picture book. I'll show you in the next day. So keep an eye out for that on the next day. And what I'm talking about, you know, getting the picture book and all that. Also, sand dollars and all that shit. Collect those. You can sell them at Tom Nook's store for however much they're worth. Also, Mega Haloid. Mega Haloid! Bakugan Brawl! That's actually what it reminds me of. In Bakugan, a lot of the names of the Bakugan are oids in some way, shape, or form. Alright, so you don't really need that. You don't really need that, guys and gals. Yeah. Okay, if you're carrying too much, I'll show you what happens. Oh, pitfall. So dig one of those up. Or just bury it. Fall in it. You'll fall in a trap, basically. So you don't want to do that unless you're crazy. Anyways. So let's say, for example, I'm out of space like I am right now. Try picking something up. Oh, my pockets are full. Should I swap something for this or just drop it? Drop it. Coral! Yeah, you got a lot of stuff. You have a whole army of this kind of shit. Boom. So, yeah, I would, do all this if I were you in terms of, like... Alright. So, and also in the next video, I'm probably gonna be... Maybe I'm gonna be doing something like that. Which means I have to get my ass up really early. And all that good shit. So what is this? A fossil. There are 3 fossils you can collect every single day. And there are days when you can also obtain... 3 of these kind of thingies, you know. So yeah. I just gotta find it though. But anyways, guys and gals, I have been doing this for long enough. So yeah, stay tuned for day 4. Like I said in the last part, or the last day, I'm not gonna be doing the whole peace out and brohoof thing like I do usually, because I'm saving that for regular videos, such as, you know, if I'm playing Skyrim or some shit like that. So anyways, guys and gals, I will see you all in the next video, or the next video, and also the next day, when it comes to Animal Crossing. Oh, there it is. Let's take this up first. Alright! A Pephoid. I'll see if I can find the other one, if I don't already have that. Yeah, I'll see if I can find the other one. Anyways, I will do this, though. Peace out, people, and brohoof. Boom!